I'm Ani. I've spent around 8 years working in QA and test automation. In this video, we will look at the single agent and multi-agent systems, explained using QA examples. Single agent versus multiple agent systems. In the previous videos, we talked about what agentic AI is and where it fits into real QA work. Now let's go one step deeper. In this video, we will focus on a very practical question. When is one AI agent enough? And when does it make sense to have multiple agents working together? Before comparing different systems, let's start with a simple question. How much responsibility should a single AI agent carry? In QA terms, this is similar to asking how much work one person should realistically handle before things start breaking down. A single agent system is exactly what it sounds like. One agent is responsible for achieving one goal. In QA terms, think of this like a senior tester working independently on a focused task. Single agent systems work well when the scope is clear, decisions are mostly linear, and the context is limited. For example, selecting relevant tests for a small code change or analyzing failures in a single pipeline. Problems start when the scope grows. As more context is added and more decisions are expected, a single agent can become overloaded. Just like with people, too many responsibilities lead to slower decisions and higher chances of mistakes. At this point, the agent itself becomes a bottleneck. This is where multi agent systems come in. Instead of one agent doing everything, multiple agents share responsibility while working towards a common goal. In QA terms, this is more like a QA team than a single hero. One agent might analyze code changes, another might evaluate test risk, and another might support CI/CD decisions. Each agent focuses on what it does best, and coordination creates clarity. This distinction matters a lot in QA. Clear responsibilities make systems easier to reason about. Decisions become more transparent, and as complexity grows, it becomes much easier to scale multiple focused agents than one overloaded agent. This isn't about making systems more complex, it's about keeping them under control. The most important takeaway from this video is not the terminology, it's the mental model. Once you clearly understand when to use single agents and when multi agent systems make sense, the tools and frameworks will start to feel obvious. In the next video, we will look at how agent workflows are actually structured, again using practical QA examples. If this series is helping you understand agentic AI more clearly, consider subscribing. This is AI with Ani, practical AI for real work.